All right. Good evening to all the grade 12 students. As mentioned, we are doing the series. Which series is that, students? The series is nothing but the last minute preparation series, right? Yes. So in the last minute preparation series, okay, let me go back. In this preparation series, I have started. Today is the day 9. As the thumbnail says, yes, I'm going to send you 23 years board paper, CBSE 23 years. That's starting from 2000 to 2023. That's huge, right? It's going to cover the huge range of all the questions of your CBSE. Next important thing, as mentioned, I'll be also sending you long answer questions. So in this long answer questions, you'll be having 3 marks and 5 marks, question as well as answers. So as I told you students, I have started the series. I have done solutions chapter. This is HaloAlkanes and HaloArenes. In HaloAlkanes and HaloArenes, what do we learn? We have learned MCQs. We have learned short answers, that is 1 mark and 2 mark. We have learned assertion and reasoning questions. Now, long answers, board papers. This is the next part of that. All right. After this, I'll be studying electrochemistry. Inform all your friends to join the series. And most important, your support is mostly required, students. Without your support, WC is nothing. Let's start off with a particular concept, previous year's questions. How many years did I say? I said it is 23 years. All right. Okay. So the question, or let us go gradually one after the other. See here, I've picked up all the questions. What are there? One first question, second question, like that. All the questions with how they're going to ask you, starting from 2000 to 2023. All are there. Conversions are there in this. Then you go most probable. Okay, I went back. Okay, let me go back, students. Okay, sorry, this has gone back, sorry for that. Conversions are there in this, comparison questions are there in this, then comes your IUPAC names are there in this, then you come which according to the set 2 mechanism, what is this, how is the reaction, which is more preferred, and draw the structures of the peroxide, complete the following reactions, then comparison between SN2 SN1, what happens when, like that. There more and more and more questions in this series. So like that, the complete series will be there. Complete, as I said, 23 years questions. Take a book, start practicing all these questions. Once you start practicing everything, it will be covered. Everything will be covered. Next important. 3 mark question and 5 mark questions. So this 3 mark question and answers, as mentioned, I've given the question. Gradually, I have given the answer also. From there, gradually, I'm going to the question. I'm again going into the answer, which is given below. Like that, question as well as the answer, like that, all are covered in the students. Everything is covered in this question answer, everything goes. So now where am I going to send this particular PDF? Yes, I'm going to send this particular PDF in your telegram channel. So once again, as I said, time is less, so quickly I have sent 100 MCQs with solutions, short answers, everything I have done in this chapter. So I'll be doing a separate series for conversions only. That will be a super duper hit, students, as I said. So join the Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. So immediately take these notes and start studying. I'll meet you soon with your electrochemistry next. Any doubt anywhere in any question, please ask me. Reason, students, anything when you get a doubt, it means you're understanding the concept. Doubt, even a smallest of smallest doubt, send it to me. I will answer that. Thank you so much for watching. Join me in the Telegram. I'm going to send this right away very soon before 10 o'clock. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.